I'm gonna show you all my new like cocktail maker over here. Hey Eddie, can you help me? Can you help me grab it? Anyway, so isn't this a lovely, beautiful cocktail maker I have over here? Yes. But we're actually going to be using a blender as well. So this lovely drink that I'm making for you all, it's gonna serve for one person. It's called Under the Boardwalk, right over here. So this is with crushed ice, lemon juice, sugar syrup, one peach, and sparkling water. And this is actually sparkling lemon flavored water, which is, you know, kind of close, but alright, I guess that's all they have. So basically I'm going to put this together for you all, and we're going to have a delicious fruity drink, our whipped cream, and our apple pie, both savory and sweet. So I'm going to be trying that all for you all soon. So yeah, what are we going to start with first? So this drink is also garnished with raspberries. Now I only have frozen raspberries, so I'm just gonna, man, these look so freezer burned. These are so freezer burned, but whatever. I'm just gonna take these out and let these defrost for a little bit. So you're gonna blend crushed ice in a blender. It doesn't say how much, so I'm kind of just gonna guess. And I learned recently how you basically crush ice is you go ahead and you take it in a bag. You take the ice that you want. So I'm gonna take basically like a handful. You just hammer it, or you can just like slam it against your counter. So hopefully they don't hate me for slamming ice. Okay, is that good? One more. Okay, all right. So that's crushed ice right over here. Yay! And then you go ahead and you put it into your blender right over here. Beautiful, beautiful crushed ice. And then you get 1 ounce and 3/4 of lemon juice. So for this, I'm gonna go ahead and measure it out again. So now I'm going to cut open a lemon. Okay, ooh. Ah! Oh my god, it got my eye! Okay, it didn't actually get on my eye. I think it like got caught on my eyelash or something. Okay, so that's 1.7 right over there. And so now we're just going to toss this in here as well. Okay, and then we're going to do 1/2 teaspoon sugar syrup. Always good to have. You can also use this for smoothies. And then, let's see, so 1/2 peach, pitted and chopped. So because it's obviously not peach season, it's actually so far from it. I have frozen peaches, so I'm just gonna take what I imagine is half, what constitutes 1/2 peach, and throw that in here. So these are actually in these nice little sliced peach slices. So I'm going to try and see if I can recreate 1/2 peach right over here. That kind of looks like 1/2 peach, right? Add a little bit more. Yeah, maybe this is a big peach. Okay, so there we go. Because these are frozen, I wonder if I could do with less ice. But this is the part now where you will go ahead and you blend it all until it's slushy. And then you pour it into a chill glass, top with sparkling water, and stir gently. Then you garnish with raspberries and serve immediately. I don't have toothpicks, so I'll just pop raspberries in. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this for you all now. All right, bringing you all here. Oops, oh, I forgot to plug it in. All right, so let's go ahead and get this slushy in here. Some of that juice is coming out first. Ooh! Ah! Okay. Ooh, nice. This reminds me of when I used to work at Jamba Juice, which is one of those odd jobs I did when I was younger. Okay, so this is, originally it was going to be only a serving for 1, but since I made more, I guess this is a serving for 2. There's just a scant fit in there left. So now we're gonna top with some, okay, all right. Some sparkling water. Ooh, that is nice, that fizzle. And we're gonna top it off with some raspberries. These freezer burned raspberries. Okay, salute. That's good. Wow, I love that. That is so special. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.